Today I'm doing an automatic service on a Pajero 2014. Okay, for the cross member, what I've done, and not necessary because it's all held up. What I've done is I've held up the gearbox and the transfer case with a jack. All I have to do now is remove this bracket because I can drain the oil. Anyway, here we go. Two. Where is it? Everything there. Is that a 14? That's a 14. What's this one here? That's a 14, and that's a 14. Why is it slipping? Okay, these ones I think I have to get a spanner at the top. Looks like it. 14. Okay, these are the bolts. There's two more in there, and then pretty certain these ones you have to get from on top. Yeah, these ones you have to get on top. I need a 14mm spanner. I'll stop recording in an event that I don't want this video to go on long. Okay, I'll put this one on